In this video, you will see how to type a vertical line on Mac. This vertical line is also called as a pipe symbol. And to type this vertical line, look at your Mac keyboard. The vertical line is present here above the return key or a enter key. However, note that this key is also a key for backslash. So when you press this key, instead of vertical line or a pipe symbol, you will get the backslash. To get the vertical line, you need to press and hold the shift button and then press the backslash key to get the pipe symbol. There is one more method. On your Mac keyboard, press and hold Control Command Spacebar. In the search bar, type vertical and you will see here vertical lines. So you can just click on any one of the line or specifically you can click on vertical line option to insert the vertical line. You can also select the line symbol and change the font size if required like this. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about symbols on Mac quickly. See you again in the next one.